Starlit Symphony. In the quiet town of Slumberville, where moonbeams danced through the night, a little fox named Fiona discovered the Starlit Symphony. Each bedtime, as the stars twinkled in the sky, Fiona tiptoed into the meadow where a symphony of twinkling stars awaited. The Starlit Symphony was conducted by Luna, a gentle moonbeam maestro. Fiona listened as Luna orchestrated a magical melody where each star twinkled in harmony. The night breeze carried the soothing notes, creating a lullaby that cradled Fiona in its celestial embrace. As the Starlit Symphony played, Fiona closed her eyes, and the meadow transformed into a dreamscape. The stars became musical notes, dancing in a celestial ballet, and the moonbeams hummed sweet lullabies. Fiona swayed with the rhythm of the night, feeling the gentle pull of bedtime dreams. Luna, the moonbeam maestro, guided Fiona into the most enchanting dreams.